sense of heart and mind. Community shall always be your guide. At GCIC, we commit to form a better world. We would like to open all the doors to live your dreams, and to harness from within all the virtue and power of life. With GCIC, we commit ourselves to serve you more. We always strive to build a better ship against the storm. Our mission stands before. Our vision enlightens your way. Live the dream. We give our lives to be right by your side. Our moments here to face the world with open hands. We can be a bridge to give a chance. Ooh, at GCIC, we commit to form a better world. We would like to open all the doors to live your dreams, and to harness from within all the virtue and power of life. With GCIC, we commit ourselves to serve you more. We always strive to build a better ship against the storm. Our mission stands before. Our vision enlightens your way. Live the dream and explore the wonder that life has made to offer today. At GCIC, we commit to form a better world. We would like to open all the doors to live your dreams, and to harness from within all the virtue and power of life. With GCIC, we commit ourselves to serve you more. We always strive to build a better ship against the storm. Our mission stands before. Our